Cop, get the fuck out, блядь!
Bring the car. We need to deliver. Someone?
Cop, what the hell do you want there? Get out, блядь!
Why are you screaming?
What do you want in my house?
I wanted to see you.
Aren't you seeing me?
You're not opening the goddamn door.
Why am I supposed to see you?
I am supposed to see
Why
you.
am I supposed to see me?
I need to see you because you are...
Why did you bust my door? Are you hooligan
No,
or something?
you. Are
блядь?
you? Aren't you a hooligan?
Why did you bust my door,
There was a
блядь?
call
Why
on
did
you.
you bust my door,
I did
блядь?
the right
Why
thing.
did you bust my door,
You
блядь?
can complain
Put
later.
the door back, блядь!
Okay.
Do the door, блядь! Do the fucking door, блядь!
Alright, just calm down.
Do the fucking door, блядь!
Do your door, don't
Fucking
worry.
do it then, блядь!
Okay,
Put
okay.
the door in place right now, блядь!
Say something.
Put the door back!
I'll do it.
Do it now then!
Of course I will.
Come on, do the door, aren't you? Why the fuck did you came to me?
Calm down.
Do the fucking door, блядь!
Did you drink your medication?
Do the fucking door, блядь!
Had your medication?
Do the fucking door,
Did
блядь!
you take your
Do
medication?
the fucking door, блядь!
Did you take your medication?
Do the fucking door, блядь!
You're supposed to take your medication.
Do the fucking door, блядь!
I'll do it, don't worry.
Do it then! Why the fucker? Release my arm, блядь!
Why should
Release my arm, блядь!
You're a hooligan.
Who's hooligan? You're hooligan,
You
блядь!
got crisis or
Weld
something?
my fucking door, блядь!
Life crisis or
Weld
something?
my fucking door, blядь!
Alright, damn it, I'll do
Fucking
it.
do it then, blядь!
Put your boots on.
I said weld my door, блядь! Why did you came to me?
Put your boots
What
on.
do you want, блядь?
You're under
What do
arrest.
you want in my house, блядь?
Because I need to.
What do you mean need? What the fuck do you need in my house, блядь?
Because I need
What do
to.
you need in my house,
You
блядь?
are an interesting person.
What?
An interesting person.
I say, what the fuck do you need in my house, блядь?
Because I need you.
What the fuck do you need me,
You
блядь?
should visit me.
Why the fuck should I visit you,
Because
блядь?
you're under my supervision.
What supervision? Are you full, cop?
Yeah, who's fool there?
Fix the door as you busted it,
I'll
блядь.
do it. Are you high?
Nothing.
You get saliva on your mouth.
He is spitting on me.